Welcome to the NPS Explainer series. In this video, let's understand what is the National Pension System or NPS. NPS is a voluntary retirement savings scheme launched by the Government of India. It helps you build a retirement corpus while you're working and gives you a regular pension after retirement. It promotes long-term savings, provides tax benefits, gives you market-linked returns and ensures financial security post-retirement. Now comes the question, who can join NPS? Any Indian citizen, NRI or OCI between this age group can join NPS. It's perfect for salaried employees, self-employed professionals, gig workers, basically anyone who wants to plan for retirement. Now let's see how NPS actually works. When you join NPS, you get a unique permanent retirement account number called PRAN. This account stays with you for life. You can invest monthly, quarterly or yearly. Any amount above 1,000 per year keeps the account active. Your money is invested in a mix of equity, corporate bonds, government securities and alternative funds based on your chosen preference. At retirement, you can withdraw 60% of your corpus tax-free. The remaining 40% goes into annuity to give you pension for lifetime. Now let's understand this with an example. Ramesh starts investing 5,000 per month in NPS at the age of 30. He decided to invest 50% in equity, 30% in corporate bonds and 20% in government securities. By 60, he can build a corpus of around 1.8 crores at an assumed average return of 11%. Now, at retirement, Ramesh can withdraw up to 1 crore 8 lakhs, that is 60% as lump sum tax-free, and the remaining 40%, that is 72 lakhs, he will use to purchase an annuity which will provide him pension throughout his remaining life. NPS is simple. Invest, let it grow, and enjoy tax benefits while you invest and a lifelong pension after you retire.